everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the apps and notifications. Let's tap on it. It should be on the third position, as you can see. Now we have to tap on advanced and scroll down to the very bottom to tap on special app access. And here from this menu we have to pick the install unknown apps option. And as you can see, here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And if you'd like to change it, so for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and here tap on this switcher. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so by activating it you may put your data and your whole device at risk. So remember about that, you're doing it on your own responsibility. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, so all you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. You can turn off those permissions also whenever you want to. All you have to do is to simply tap on Chrome, let's say, and tap on the switcher right here. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.